tried everything, we did everything, but we couldn't bring it into the light. We spent so much time trying to turn it around, but we couldn't ever seem to get it right. Now from this broken place, it's time to face. There's only one thing left to do. Saw an old man singing alone in the night. The streets hadn't treated him right. I saw a light in him, had to stop and listen. He said, son, let me tell you this. I ain't got a lot of money, but I got a lot of soul, and I got something to say. When dread overcomes you and you wanna give up, it's time to keep pushing through. When life beats you down and you get turned around, remember what this old man said. You can start over again. I'm starting over again. Yeah, starting over again. Gonna start over again. I ain't got a lot of money, but I got a lot of soul, and ain't afraid to take a chance. I ain't got a lot of money, but I got a lot of soul, and gonna get up and dance. I ain't got a lot of money, but I got a lot of soul, and get up and dance. Yeah. I ain't got a lot of money, but I got a lot of soul, and ain't afraid to take a chance. Yeah, stronger in the broken places. I'm gonna get up, take another chance. Been talking about it, been dreaming about it. Now it's time to get up and dance. Yeah, I'm broken down near the end of my hope, but I'm still holding on to the rope. Yeah, from this darkest place, from this empty space, I remember what the old man said.